Hi guys! Welcome to our mini vlog.
So today guys, we're going to take you on a delicious journey to Tagaytay City,
A place known for its rich culture and incredible cuisine.
In this vlog, we explore one of the city's most famous dishes.
From its mouth-watering flavors to how it's made.
Plus some fun, cultural facts you won't want to miss.
So let's get started and dive right into the taste of Tagaytay City. Let's go!
Here is the method to prepare bulalo. Bulalo is a hearty Filipino beef marrow stew popular in Tagaytay's cool climate. It's made by simmering beef shank and marrow bones for hours until tender. This dish offers comforting warmth and rich flavor, perfect for chilly weather. Originally a humble farmer's meal, bulalo now symbolizes Filipino hospitality and family gatherings. Here is the method to prepare sisig. Sisig is a sizzling pork dish from Pampanga, now a favorite in Tagaytay. Made from pig's head and liver, it's seasoned with calamansi, onions, and chili peppers. Served hot on a sizzling plate, sisig began as a way to avoid waste but evolved into a lively party dish that unites friends and family. Both bulalo and sisig showcase Filipino resourcefulness and community spirit through food. These dishes go beyond meals, they create experiences that bring people together, sharing tradition and joy in Tagaytay's beautiful setting.
So what's up guys? Nandito na kami para sa ating food review conclusion. Kung masasabi ko lang, napaka-crispy ng sisig nila. Tapos, yun, sarap talaga.
Pagdating naman sa bulalo, napakasarap and super linamnam, bagay na bagay sa pan.
Pares malasa yung bulalo at saka yung sisig. Yun.
Tapos pasok na pasok sa budget.
Tapos yung lugar nila doon, malinis. Yun lang. Kaya tara na dito sa Tagaytay. Tikman natin ang bulalo at sisig nila. Kaya guys, let's go!